When working with zoning systems that control multi-stage HVAC equipment, it's essential to ensure the staging logic used is consistent. When zoning a multi-stage system with an HZ322 or HZ432 zone panel, you have three options for controlling the equipment staging: by the thermostats installed, by the zone panel with timers, or by the zone panel using percent of zones calling. Hello, I'm Dan from Resideo. Today, I'm going to show you why and when to use the TSTAT option on the Honeywell Home HZ322 or HZ432 zone panels. It's best to use the TSTAT option if you are using multi-stage thermostats in each zone and you want each thermostat to control how and when second stage heating or cooling is engaged. This will allow the thermostat for each zone to stage based on room conditions for their zone rather than relying on zone panel logic. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Single-stage thermostats cannot control staging. It is a best practice to use the same thermostat types for all zones. However, if you mix thermostat types, use the panel staging option instead. If you intend on using the TSTAT option for each zone, double-check that you have enough available wires for each additional stage of heat or cool and changeover valve if using a heat pump. To begin programming the zone panel, press the Mode button until the LED for Config lights up. After you've selected your system type, number of stages of cool and heat, and the number of zones installed, then you will see the Stage 2 control options. Use the Adjust Settings arrows to select TSTAT and press Next. If you have a third stage, you will then see Stage 3 control. Use the Adjust Setting arrows to select TSTAT. Press Next and continue with the configuration of your zone panel. Once enabled, the Calling Zones thermostat will control staging for heating and cooling. The HZ322 and HZ432 will control staging from only the active zone, which works especially well in systems where one zone consistently needs more or less conditioning than others. Thanks for watching this tech tip. If you found it helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more, and drop a comment with a topic you'd like us to address. For additional information, please visit Resideo Academy.